Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can start on Fiverr with no experience. So you can make money on Fiverr with no experience. As you can see here guys, I have like 4.8 ratings on my Fiverr. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this without experience, how you can make money on Fiverr with no experience. Okay, so first thing you need to do guys, you want to know what people are searching for. Okay, this is a very important thing. You want to know what people want. Okay, so for example, I'm going to search here for what service are you looking for in the top. Now I'm going to search for example for, let's say, logo design. Okay, this is just an example. Of course I don't recommend you guys to sell logo designs because everyone is selling logo designs on Fiverr. That's a huge mistake a lot of new sellers do. Now as you can see, 120,000 people are selling logo design. That's a huge number. So you are not going to compete with these people. So there is no way to make any money if you create logo designs. Okay, if you like list logo designs gigs on Fiverr, so that you will not do it, like you will not make even a single dollar. Now what you guys need to do is you want to search for something specific. So a few people made gigs about this. For example, Shopify drop shipping. Okay, I'm going to search here for Shopify dropshipping, and as you can see, only like 24,000 people made have listed gigs related to Shopify dropshipping on Fiverr. Okay, so always like search for what people want but they can't find it. Okay, so like even Shopify dropshipping, a lot of people have created a gig, like as you can see, 24,000 people. That's really a huge number. You want to go more specific. For example, find Shopify dropshipping winning products. As you can see, only 13,000, which is a good number. Okay, so what you guys need to do in this case, you want to go to another freelancer website like Upwork. There are a lot of websites where you can do drop servicing. Now that's exactly what I do to make money. Okay, that's my life. Okay, if you are wondering what I do with my life, this is all I do. I do drop shipping, drop servicing. That's exactly what I do. Okay, so drop shipping is like drop servicing. Okay, I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so you go to for example, you go to Upwork. Okay, this is Upwork. Okay, and this is Fiverr. Okay, this is Fiverr and this is Upwork. You go to Upwork, you find people that can do, for example, that can find Shopify dropshipping winning products from Upwork for a cheaper price. I would say like $20. Okay, you go to Fiverr and list the exact same service for $14. Okay, keep in mind that Fiverr takes 20% of the sale. So if you sold this for $14, then it's going like 20% of $40 is $8. So Fiverr will take $8 when you sell this. So you are only going to be left with around $11. Okay, so you are only going to be left with $11. So you go to Upwork, like I said, you search for something that people are searching for, and there is no competition. There is no like a lot of competition, and you want to list the gig on your Fiverr. That's exactly guys the method. Okay, so to list gigs on your Fiverr is very easy. Just click on switch to selling in the top right and then start listing the gig. Okay, that's all you need to do guys. It's not like it's not a complicated thing to list a gig on Fiverr. Okay, so I'm going to click here on view here. As you can see, I just created these two gigs. As you can see, I will do AliExpress to eBay dropshipping manually. I will do AliExpress to eBay dropshipping manually. If you go to Upwork, if you search here for eBay dropshipping, you will find a lot of people that can do this for a cheaper price. As you can see, eBay dropshipping, I'm going to search for it. Now as you can see, a lot of people are going to do this for a much cheaper price. As you can see, like from $40. Now I charge more. I charge like $130. Okay, so as you can see guys, that's exactly guys how you can make money without experience. You can do drop servicing. That's exactly what you need to do guys to make money Or you can also do dropshipping, guys. If you want, you can do dropshipping on eBay to make money without experience. That's what I do, guys, to make over $7,000 every single month on eBay doing dropshipping from AliExpress. If you have any questions about that, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. I just want to add some value to you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Make sure to drop a like on this tutorial. That would be highly appreciated, and see you guys in the next video.